Good morning, global students. Welcome to a brand new week. Here is our introduction video. All right, let's take a moment here and take a look here. April 1st to the 7th already. And of course, I'm going to start with our weekly checklist just to give you the heads up. As expected, this is the habit that we should be into where this is going into notability. All right, let's talk here for a minute. So, a couple of things. Number one, we are going to continue working on our Africa map today. So please make sure that you are getting that finished and done. All right. Um, Tomorrow is your last work day on that Africa map. There is an assignment that's due tonight at 11:59. All right, and that is something that I know many of you have already submitted. That is that reflection for trimester two. Big thing here, ladies and gents. Make sure you're reading those instructions. To make sure you're writing the full paragraph. Monday, we're going to move on with Africa, and we're going to start talking about the ancient kingdoms and something called colonization. All right, so with this, there is a folder. This is a note sheet that we're going to be looking at, and it's going to be interactive again, like usual, where you will find in there some primary documents, some primary pictures, a couple of video links that we're going to be looking at as well. All right, so Monday, you're going to start that looking at steps 1 through 4, and then Tuesday, you will continue that with steps 5 through 10. I will give you the heads up that there is going to be a map quiz on the second half of the week next week, where you will need that map done. All right, so that is how we are going to be working on things this week. So have a wonderful week. Enjoy the nice weather this weekend, and again, make sure that you are asking any questions that you have.